Class 9, today I am going to start short answer type question. Question number 5. Okay. 5.1. If 20% profit is on cost price, okay, profit is on cost price, then what is profit percentage on selling price they are asking. Okay. So profit percentage is given 20% and they are saying that profit percentage is on cost price. So I am taking let cost price be rupees 100. Since in this question there is a profit, it means selling price will be greater than cost price. We know that when we profit something, at that time selling price will be more than cost price. So if selling cost price is 100, selling price will be equals to 100 plus 20, because how much percentage we are profiting? 20%. It means 120. Again I am saying profit percentage is 20 and this 20% is on cost price. It means that is why I am taking let CPB rupees 100. Now selling price. Selling price means if we are profiting, it means that selling price will be more than the cost price. That is why I am writing 100 plus 20 equals to 120. Means selling price will be 120. If selling price will be 120, what will be the profit? Profit formula is SP minus CP. It means 120 minus 100, which I will get 20. Okay. Now they are asking what will be the profit percentage on selling price. When they will tell you that profit percentage on selling price, at that time what will be the formula? Profit percentage formula is what? Profit by CP now. But in the question they are telling profit percentage on selling price, at that time you will write selling price here. Okay. If it is not mentioned, then you will use cost price, because we know that actual formula is P by CP into 100. But when they will ask you find the profit percentage on selling price, at that time you will write P by SP into 100. What is profit? Profit is 20. SP is how much? SP is 120 into 100. Okay. Now 0 cancel. 2 1s are 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are means 50 by 3. When you will divide, you will get 3 1s are 3. 2 will go. 3 6 are 18, means this one will be your profit percentage. Okay. Now question number 2, 5 2. I am doing your same as this one. If 20% profit is on selling price, what is the profit percentage on cost price? Opposite to the last one. In the last one they are saying profit percentage on cost price. In this one they are saying profit percentage on selling price. Okay. So profit percentage is given how much? 20%. Because they are saying profit percentage on selling price, that is why I am letting let selling price be rupees 100. Now when there is a profit, it means selling price would be greater than cost price. So what will be the cost price? Cost price equals to 100 minus 20 equals to rupees 80. Again I am repeating, profit percentage is 20%. Because they are saying that profit percentage on selling price, that is why I have written let CPB 100, and when there will be a profit, it means that selling price will be greater than cost price. That is why I am subtracting. Okay. So 100 minus 20 by 20 because 20% 80. Okay. Now what they are asking, what is the profit percentage? Okay. Now we have to find profit. Profit equals to SP minus CP. So SP is 100, CP is 80, 20. Okay. Now profit percentage on CP. CP means formula will be same as we are doing from exercise 10.1 for profit by CP into 100. Okay. Profit is 20, CP is 80 into 100. Now cancel 0 0 first, 0 1s are 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 2 will come. Okay, 25%. Okay, copy this 2 first. Class 9, read question number 5.3. By selling 110 mangoes, if the cost price of 120 mangoes has been got, it means that SP of means selling price of 110 mango is equals to cost price of 120 mango. Because they are saying by selling 110 mangoes, if the cost price of 120 mangoes has been got. Okay, what will be the profit percentage? Okay, so what you will write, 5(3), question number 5(3), selling price of 110 mangoes is equals to cost price of 120 mangoes. They have written already, they are telling you that when someone is selling 110 mango, then whatever selling price, then he is and at that time cost price of 120 mango will be equal. Okay, so SP of 110 mango equals to cost price of 120 mango, SP of 1 mango. Unitary method we are doing. Okay, so at that time 1 mango is 120 CP of 120 by 110 mangoes. Okay, understood up to here? It means that therefore SP equals to how much we are getting? 120 by 110 CP. I am removing this off and giving multiplication sign. So SP, selling price, I am getting 120 CP, 120 by 110 CP. You can cancel 0, 0, so you will get selling price equals to 112 by 100, and here it will be CP. Now they are asking profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage? Profit by CP into 100. We need profit. Profit formula is profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Okay, so profit equals to selling price is how much? 12 CP by 11 minus cost price. How much? Cost price will be cost price only, because just what I am doing at place of selling price, I am writing this one. Okay, selling price value I am writing. When you will solve, how much you will get? 12 CP minus 11 CP. I think you know how to take LCM, because you have done all this in class 5 or 6. So you will get 12 CP minus 11 CP, CP by 11. Okay, means profit I am getting CP by 11. Okay, completed up to here. I am removing first two lines. Now they are telling to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage equals to profit by CP into 100. Profit you got CP by 11, CP by 11. Cost price is how much? Cost price is CP only, so you will write CP into 100. Okay. Now CP by 11, this is CP by 1. When it will come, it will become 1 by CP into 100. CP will cancel, 100 by 11. When you will solve, it will come 11 stable, 11 9s are 99, 100 by 11. Okay, so this one will be your answer. Write this one is percentage. Complete this one. Now class 9, question number 4. To submit electricity bill in due time, 15% discount can be obtained. Okay, so discount percentage is given 15%. Okay, and after that Sumun Babu has got rupees 54 as discount. Discount is given how much? Discount, this is in percentage. Okay, and this one is discount equals to 54 rupees. Okay, how much was his electricity bill? Means what is the marked price? Okay, why marked price? When electricity bill, you all have seen that at your home electricity, each and every month electricity bill will be there. Okay, at that time some amount of money is written in electricity bill, and that is marked price. Why marked price? Because it will not change. It is the market value only that is sent by CSC or WBSC. Okay, so discount percentage is 15%, discount is 54. There is one formula to find marked price. Discount percentage equals to discount by marked price into 100, and please write in a bracket marked price is nothing but electricity, amount of electricity bill. Amount of electricity bill. Okay, discount percentage is 15, discount is 54, MP we have to find, and this formula we have done in 10.1 starting. Okay, now I am changing the case. This one is coming here, this one is going here, so it will become 54 by 15 into 100. Now 5 step, 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 18 into 20, you will get 360. So what is your electricity bill? Amount of electricity bill is rupees 360. Now class 9, read question number 5. A commodity sold at rupees 480 with a loss of 20% on selling price. Okay, one commodity sold at rupees 480 and loss of 20% on selling price. What is the cost price? Now they are saying that sold at rupees this, at profit or at loss of rupees this, on selling price. Now whenever this type of question is given to you, what is the formula at that time to find cost price? Cost price equals to selling price plus loss percentage or profit percentage of selling price. Okay, this is the formula when they will ask you what will be the cost price when there is when one thing will sell at rupees this at loss of this on selling price. This is the keyword, selling price. Okay, so in our case it is loss, so formula will be CP equals to SP plus loss percentage of SP. SP is 480 plus loss is 20%, so remove this percentage sign, give 100, of in multiplication, SP is rupees 480. Now 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 46 47 48, 5 6 are. Okay, so 480 plus 96, 576, 6098 576. This is the formula when they will ask you that selling price is this at loss this on selling price. That time you will use this formula. Now class 9, read question number 6. If a commodity is sold with successive discount of 20% and 10%, what will be the equivalent discount? Means what is the total discount? Okay, first they are selling one thing in discount, at that time discount is 20%, then discount is 10%, but we don't know what is selling price. So what we will do first, let SP be, means selling price, be rupees 100. Discount, first discount is how much? Discount percentage is 20%. Therefore, new selling price will be 100 minus 20, because they are giving 20% discount is 20, 80. Again, one more discount is there. Discount is 10%. And this discount, 10% discount in this one, okay, not in this one. Selling price, first selling price we are taking 100. Now after taking a selling price is 100, they are giving discount of 20%. Now selling price is 80 rupees, 100 minus 20, 80 rupees. Again they are giving 10% discount. Now they will give discount not in this selling price, in this selling price. Therefore, what you will find, selling price equals to, how you will find this one? Please understand this one properly. So you will write this one, you will write 80, selling price is 80, and if there is a 100 minus 10, why 100 minus 10? Total 100, SP and 10% discount by 100, because this one is to remove percentage sign. So 180 into 90 by 100, so 0 0 0 0, 8 9 is 72. Therefore, discount is equals to total 100 minus 72, means total overall discount is 28. Again I am repeating from here. First selling price is 100, they are giving 20% discount, it means selling price now 80. Now in this one they are again giving 10% discount, so 10% discount I have written. Now 80 I am writing into 100 minus 10, why I am doing? Because they are giving 10% discount in this one. Okay, so 100 minus 10 10 by 100 to remove the percentage sign. 100 minus 10, 90 by 100. Okay. Now 0 will cancel. 72% total selling price. So discount will be 100 is total selling price and discount in the last we are getting 72, means equivalent discount is rupees 28. You can use any other method to solve all the question. Okay. It is not necessary that you will use this method only. Homework question number 4, 1 to 5 and submit your homework in this given email ID nrnuffa@outlook.com. You know this email ID, okay? So send it by tomorrow only. Thank you.